Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. I've made incense stick holders before. I've got this mould with 3 different ones on. You can see it's got stars. This has got like the different phases of the moon, and then this one's a plain one. Last time I did them with alcohol inks, but I think they might look better with mica powders. So, I've picked some out already. I'm going to do sky blue and light pink in the plain, glitter gold and midnight deep stellar purple in the moon phases, and then violet and black night sky in the starry one. Have a little paintbrush, so I'm just going to start painting on my colours where I think I want them. I think this one and this one are going to be mixed all over. And then this one, I'd like to try to get the gold in the moon phases, but that might be a little bit difficult, but I'll try and see how I get on. So, enjoy. Okay, so all dusted in. This one wasn't as clean as I liked, but as I was wiping it, I quite liked the distressed look of the gold along the sides. I don't know if you can pick it up like here. So to get rid of the excess, I'm literally just going to turn it upside down and shake it into a bin. And then I will mix up some resin, pop a mask on, and I shall be back. Right, I have some resin mixed up, I've got a mask on, and I'm going to use one of these little silicone beakers, because I think that would be easier to pour it in. So I'm going to decant some some resin into here. Right, and I'm just going to fill each one up. Okay, I'm going to try and use a cocktail stick to get rid of air bubbles rather than torching. I will give them a quick torch with a very low flame. There we go. I don't know which one I'm going to like the most. I keep going back and forth. I thought it was going to be this one originally. Now I'm thinking this is going to look really cool and like bubblegummy. But I think this is going to look like moody, like a night sky. So I'll see you when they're all set and we can take them out and see which ones we like. So it's been quite a while. Don't know how many days. It's been ages. So these are very set, but I don't know if it will pick up on camera. I was kind of expecting the mica powder to mix with the resin, but the resin's stayed completely clear. So now I'm a bit worried that it hasn't attached at all, and these are just all going to be completely clear. But I'll have to demold and find out. I think this one might actually be my favourite in the end, but we'll see. Let's demold. Let's demold. Okay, no powder left. It's definitely picked it up, that's good. worried that it wouldn't. That's got some overflow. All coming out here much easier this time, although I think this was the problem one last time, where the little stick sticks in, the incense stick. Just going to pop out, yeah, so much better that time. Okay, let me get a bit of white paper, because I think you'll be able to see them better if they're on white. Better. Okay, just gonna go for it. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, not my favourite. Didn't turn out anywhere how I thought it was going to. Looks cool from this distance, but up close. Although when you're going to be holding it off of something, it will always be on something, won't it? And that looks cloudy, which is cool, like a sunset sort of clouds. I quite like this as well. The moodiness of it. It's like a thunderstorm, and this is like a sunset. They didn't turn out how I thought they would. I think next time I'll try mixing the mica powder into the resin and doing almost like a dirty pour technique with a few colours and just see how that goes. But I'm actually quite pleased. I do like the first one. I think that is my favourite. So I think that's my favourite, that's my second, that's my third, but I do still like this as well. It looks like aged metal almost. Nothing's coming off on my fingers either. Cool. Well, let me know what you think in the comments, and give me a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to keep up to date with more videos, and I will put some pictures at the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!